Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, I'll be showing the over 3 strategy, alright? We've already covered over 4, we've covered over 5, over 6, over 7, over 8, and over 9, and they're all in the channel, alright? Now, over 3, what do we look at in trading over 3? Over 3, first of all, is one of the best markets to start trading with, especially if you're a beginner. It is one of the best, over 3 and 2 are some of the best markets for you to start with if you are a beginner, alright? Now, over 3, what do we look at? First things first, alright? Ensure the green circle and the red circle are above 3, alright? Ensure the green circle and the red circle are both above 3. Another thing, ensure that the red circle and the green circle are 2 to 3 numbers away from 3, alright? Ensure the green circle and the red circle are 2 to 3 numbers from 3. So the red circle and the green circle should not be touching either 4 or 5. They should be from 6, 7, 8, and 9, alright? Ensure the green circle and the red circle are 2 to 3 numbers away from 3, alright? That is another thing that you should consider. Now, what is the other thing? Positioning of the green circle and the red circle. Even though the green circle and the red circle are both above 3, ensure the green circle is in front of the red circle. So if the green circle, let's say, is at 8, the red circle should be at 6 or 7. So the green circle should be in front of the red circle, right? Again, you remember the arrow analogy, whereby the head of the arrow is the green circle and the tail of the arrow is the red circle. And whenever you're trading over, you ask yourself, do I want to throw my arrow towards the numbers, towards the over numbers or the under numbers? And that will help you greatly determine the positioning of the green circle and the red circle so that you don't get confused. All right. Now, once all those conditions are satisfied, you are ready to trade. But before, just analyze the percentage briefly. When trading over 3, you are not so much keen on percentages, all right? You are not so much strict on percentages because, again, over 3 has a very low risk. So we don't focus a lot on percentages, but just ensure all the percentages of the numbers below 3, including 3 itself, all right, are below 10%, all right? Ensure the percentages of not even 10, because 10 might be higher. Just ensure they're below, let's say 9.7. Yeah, ensure they're a bit low, not too much low, just a bit low. All right, ensure the percentages of all the numbers below 3, including 3 itself, are below 9.8, 9.7, or 9.5. Just ensure they're below, but ensure that no number from 3 going downwards is above 10, because you don't want the ticker to focus a lot on the numbers below 3, because that can mess us up greatly. Again, ensure the percentages of all the numbers above 3 are high. So ensure they're all above 10. At least ensure they're all above 10. And if it goes lowest to the lowest percentage, ensure it does not go below 9.8. All right. Just ensure all the percentages of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all above 9.8, 9.9 going up. All right, and ensure the percentages of all the numbers below 3, including 3 itself, are below 9.7. Because, as I said, in over 3, we are not that much keen on percentages because the risk is usually very low. You just need to see the positioning of the green circle and the red circle. Ensure there are 2 to 3 numbers away from 3. Ensure that the green circle is in front of the red circle, and you are okay. All right, and once you have done that, it is time to enter your trade. So there is 2 ways you can enter a trade in trading over 3. First things first, you can wait for the ticker to touch a minimum of 2 numbers. That is, it can touch any 2 numbers. It can touch 2 and 0, you place a trade. It can touch 2 and 1, you can place a trade. It can either touch a minimum of 2 numbers below 3, or it can touch 1 alone. All right, it can either touch a minimum of 2 numbers below 3, or it can touch 1 alone. So what do I mean by this? Let's say the ticker goes and lands on 1. You can place over immediately, and ensure you place over when the ticker is on 1. If it leaves 1, leave it alone. Again, if you see the ticker has touched a minimum of 2, let's say it has touched 3 and 0, you can place over. All right, if you see the ticker has touched 1 alone, you can place over. If you see the ticker has touched 3 numbers, place over, and do not delay. Remember, delaying can really mess you up. All right, and once you do that, guys, you will have successfully placed your over 3 trade. All right, guys, so this is briefly a recap for those who do not understand the over 3 trade type. For the more detailed video with examples, I will put a link in the description. So make sure if you want to see the live examples of this video, just click the description. I will link a video which has the live illustrations of this strategy, whereby you can see me trading it lively. So you can just click on the link in the description, whereby you'll be redirected to the video containing now the full explanation with the examples and everything. But this was just to jog your memory and remind you of this strategy. Again, this strategy is very favorable. If you're somebody who doesn't know, who fears losing their money or anything like that, just come and trade this and you will be okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please, please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you share. Please make sure you like. And if you have a question, please make sure you leave it in the comment section, and it will be highly appreciated, guys. Thank you for watching, and good luck.